Hey everyone, and welcome back to FK Tech Lab, the channel where we test beauty tech so you don't waste your money. Today we are doing a face-off, pun absolutely intended, between two electric face scrubbers, under $27. On one side we have the Ccigedy, a next-generation LED silicone scrubber with 4 color light therapy built right in. On the other side we have the NågraCoola CLIE, a highly rated classic sonic brush loved by both men and women. Same price, same 5 speeds, both waterproof and rechargeable. But are they really the same? Absolutely not. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is right for your skin. Let's get into it. First impressions matter, especially for something touching your face every single day. The Ccigedy feels incredibly soft. The silicone bristles are gentle enough for sensitive skin, but effective enough to actually clean deep into your pores. And those 4 LED lights, red, blue, green, and yellow, each one targeting a completely different skin concern. We will get into that in a moment. The NågraCoola CLIE, on the other hand, has a more traditional brush head design, slightly more aggressive exfoliation, which some skin types absolutely love. It feels solid, well built, and that 4.4-star rating on Amazon tells you customers genuinely like it. Both are rechargeable, both are IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can use them in the shower with zero worries. No excuses for skipping your skincare routine. Okay, this is where the Ccigedy completely changes the game, and honestly, this is the reason I think it wins for most people. You get 4 colors of LED light therapy built directly into your face scrubber. Let me break down what each one does. Red light. This is the anti-aging superstar. Red light stimulates collagen production, reduces fine lines, and helps your skin barrier stay strong and healthy. Perfect if you are concerned about aging or dull skin. Blue light, the acne fighter. Blue light kills acne causing bacteria on the surface of your skin. If you struggle with breakouts or oily skin, this is your best friend. Yellow light. Often overlooked, but incredibly powerful for skin tone. Yellow light reduces redness, evens out your complexion, and is brilliant for sensitive or rosacea-prone skin. Green light, the pore minimizer. Green light targets large pores, controls excess oil, and gives your skin that smooth, refined texture. Now here's the thing, the NågraCoola CLIE has none of this. It cleans brilliantly, but it is just cleaning. The Ccigedy cleans and treats your skin at the same time. That is like comparing a regular car to a hybrid. Both get you there, but one does so much more. Both brushes have 5 speeds or intensities, starting very gentle and building up to a deeper, more powerful cleanse. For daily use, I recommend starting at speed 1 or 2. Your skin needs time to adjust to any new device. After a week or 2, you can increase the intensity. The silicone head on the Ccigedy is naturally more hygienic. Silicone doesn't harbor bacteria the way traditional brush bristles can. If you have acne-prone or sensitive skin, this is a big deal. The NågraCoola's brush head gives slightly more physical exfoliation, great for normal to oily skin types who want that deeper scrub feeling. In terms of customer reviews on Amazon, the Ccigedy sits at 4.2 out of 5 stars. The NågraCoola sits at 4.4 out of 5 stars. Customers love both products. The NågraCoola edges ahead slightly on rating, but remember, it has been on the market longer and has more reviews. The most common complaint for both? People wishing they had bought one sooner. Now let's talk money, because that is what really matters. The NågraCoola CLIE is $25.49 on Amazon. Excellent value for a solid, reliable, classic sonic brush. The Ccigedy is $26.59 for Amazon Prime members. Normally $39.99, so that Prime discount is absolutely massive right now. For just $1 more than the NågraCoola, you get 4 color LED light therapy on top of everything else. From a pure value for money perspective, the Ccigedy wins hands down at that prime price. You are essentially getting a facial cleansing brush and a light therapy device in one for under $27. That is what I call a no-brainer. So who wins this face-off? Choose the Ccigedy if you want LED light therapy benefits, you have acne, large pores, uneven skin tone, or aging concerns, you prefer hygienic silicone over brush bristles, you are an Amazon Prime member and want maximum value. Choose the NågraCoola CLIE if you prefer traditional, deeper physical exfoliation, you have normal to oily skin that loves a good scrub, you want the slightly higher rated product, LED therapy is not a priority for you. Honestly, both are brilliant products under $27. You genuinely cannot go wrong with either one. But if I had to pick just one, I am going with the Ccigedy every single time. That prime price with 4-color LED therapy built in is just impossible to beat. That is it for today's comparison on FK Tech Lab. Both products are linked in the description below. US links for both. If this video helped you make a decision, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow so I can keep bringing you honest beauty tech reviews. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, your skin screams for the best. Give it what it deserves.